Okay, now friends, I am going to tell you about the pawn way, how we put pawns in this chessboard. The pawn can move to the square directly in front to itself if that square is clear. A pawn on its starting rank has the option of moving to squares in one turn. That's all about the pawn. Now we learn about the rook. This is how the rook is in the chessboard. Rook can move to any square marked with the white dot. The black rook can move to squares with the black dot, or it can capture the white pawn on e7. Friends, that's all about the rook. Now let we learn about the knight. It's on different squares with dots representing possible knight moves. Starting position in chess with dots representing possible knight moves. Okay friends, and that's all about the knight. Now we learn about the bishop. This is the initial placement of the bishop. Black bishop can move to any of the squares marked by a black dot. The white bishop can move to any square marked by a white dot or capture the black pawn. Okay friends, and that's all about the bishop. Now we learn about the king. Okay friends, this is the initial placement of the king. Okay friends, and this is the possible movements of an unhindered king. And the king's movements may be hindered by the other pieces. Black's king cannot move to squares under attack by the white bishop. Knight, queen or pawn, white's king cannot move to squares under attack by the black queen. And that's all about the king. Now we are going to talk about the queen, and that is the very important part on this game. In the initial placement of the queens d1 and d8. The possible moves of the queen, and also although the both players start with one queen, each pawn can be promoted to any of several types of pieces, including a queen when the pawn is moved to the player's furthest rank. Such a queen created by promotion can be an additional queen, or if the player's queen has been captured, a replacement queen. Pawn promotion to a queen is colloquially called queen, which is by far the most common type of piece. A pawn is promoted to due the relative power of a queen. And that's all about this game, and now you can play in your free time.